Hello and welcome to all of you in today's session. Now today we are going to have a look at some MCQs based on photochemistry, because photochemistry and pericyclic is one section of 250. So 10 examples are there, or 10 questions are there. Next time I will put another 10. The fluorescence is caused by dash dash transition, S1 to S0, T1 to T0, then S1 to T1, and not from this. So fluorescence is between the same spin state, only the compound absorbs energy, go to the excited state, and from there it goes to the ground state by emitting some energy. So that is known as fluorescence. Then second is phosphorescence is caused by dash dash transition. Now phosphorescence is another energy loss by the excited state. Now in this case this is going to be in from the triplet state. Now these are singlet states. Now here triplet state, excited triplet state to ground triplet state, that is phosphorescence. Then third one is interesting, glow of the firefly is an example of. Now firefly, we know that it shows some luminescence, and fluorescence, phosphorescence, bioluminescence and intersystem crossing. So bioluminescence is correct because it glows, it gives out light, and that is bioluminescence. Number 4 is predict the product in this. Now the cyclohexanone is treated with photolite, and then it is worked up by methanol, or both the reagents are together, 1, 2, 3 and none of these. So the first one is correct. I will just quickly show how number 1 product is formed. So this is the compound. First of all, the alpha cleavage, then I will put hydrogen inside so that I can show the formation of ketene. Ketene is formed, and once methanol is there, you can add methanol straight away, but this is polar, and you can get the molecule what we require, COOMe. So the first option is correct, that this goes through ketene, and once ketene is formed, ketene is polar, you can add water, you can add amine, you can add alcohols, accordingly different products are formed. Okay. Then the fifth example, this ketone is treated with photolite, get the degradation. The ketone is formed and ethylene is released, is an example of. We have already seen this, but with different name. This is McLafferty or Norris type 2, I would say, R C double bond O, CH2 CH2 CH3, alpha beta gamma. So or you can directly show that this is absorbed, alpha beta bond is broken, and you get COH double bond CH2 plus ethylene. Then this is simply a tautomerism, so that you get ketone. So this is Norris type 2 cleavage or gamma hydrogen abstraction. Delta is means you should have one more carbon, but delta hydrogen abstraction is different thing. Okay. So this is Norris type 2 cleavage or McLafferty or gamma hydrogen abstraction, anything you can write according to option. Then this ketone in excited state reacts with alkene to form cyclic ether. This type of conversion is an example of Paterno-Bocci reaction. So yeah, I would put this way, like ketone and then this alkene. So this is the first one, the Paterno-Bocci reaction, the formation of cyclic ethers or oxytane to be precise. This is oxytane. Oxytane formation through the excited carbonyl compound and olefin is giving oxytane, that is the Paterno-Bocci reaction. The next one is benzene is treated with photolite, and the question is which of the following product is not formed. Okay. The answer is last one. The other products one can explain, like you can put these things promoting the electrons and then fusing them. Let us say I am fusing these two electrons and these two electrons. So double bond here, double bond here. This is your dibarbenzene. So that is formed. Similarly, the second and third, they are formed. The last option is incorrect, but that product is not formed. Then eighth question is benzene is treated with this cis 2,3-butadiene under photolite. What is the product? Now here it is 2+2 cycloaddition, and once again the stereochemistry of the alkene is written in this case. So it will be like it is cis, should remain cis. So this is cycloaddition, and the first option is correct because that is the correct answer. Remaining two are incorrect because in that those two examples methyl position is trans, which is not the case. It is cis, it is written as cis because 2+2 is going to be supra photochemical. So it is cycloaddition, photochemical has to be supra. So both the methyls will retain their relative stereochemistry. Then next one is this compound is treated with, right, and you get those two compounds. So OH and COCH3. Of course, this is the example of Fry's rearrangement. This is photo-Fry's because this is catalyzed by photolite. So that is photo-Fry's rearrangement. Fries generally is catalyzed by anhydrous aluminum chloride, where you can show the different mechanism. Here you can show the homolysis of the oxygen carbon bond, and thereby you can use the pi electrons here from here, and then finally workup can give the exam like ortho and para substitution product. Next 10th example is HR1 R2. Then I will just put these two things here. Okay, they are trans. I am maintaining that, or let me put it this way, because all has to be trans. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So it is 1,5 hydrogen shift. So 1,5 hydrogen shift or hydride shift you can say, because hydrogen is moving with electrons, so it is also termed as hydride shift. So the relative position of hydrogen and this carbon is 1,5. So this shift is known as 1,5 hydrogen shift, not carbon, because carbon is retaining its position, carbon is there, only the skeletal structure is getting rearranged. So that is the answer for this. Next time I will come up with another 10 questions on the topic, so that you will have some access to this topic also, like for multiple choice questions mainly. Okay. Thank you very much.